Today I'd like to show you how to save an icon or a shortcut to your desktop so that you can access some of the programs we use in this class a little bit easier. Start out by going down after you've logged on to the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. It's also called the Start menu. Go to All Programs, and then it shows you a list of the programs that are available on your computer. And then the program that we're going to be using is CorelDRAW Graphics Suite X5. Now, if you click on that just one time, it gives you some different files that are within there. The one that we want to do is called CorelDRAW. And so you're going to right click on CorelDRAW, and that gives you a chance to send it to the desktop or create a shortcut. And when I click on that, it sends it right there, and I've got an icon now. If I double click that, it could open CorelDRAW, and I could start drawing my coaster or a different project. There's another program you're going to need as well. Go back to the Start menu and go to All Programs and see if you can find Accessories. That's where a program is located called Paint. There we go. And you can right click on that and you can tell it send to the desktop, create a shortcut. Wow, now I've got both of those programs located there. You might have used Paint before. It's a nice program for drawing things. You can also put images on there and alter them. And so we're going to learn how to do that on another day. Today we're just getting our screen set up. Another thing I'd like you to do is actually go to either Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, whatever browser you prefer using. And I want you to find my web page. Now, usually the easiest way to get there is to go to the Granite Oaks web page. And it's usually the first one that comes up if you do a search. And then up at the top of the Granite Oaks web page, see if you can find electives. I know it's here somewhere. I guess it's probably under Academies. Oh, next to Academies. There it is. And this is where you could check your grades if you wanted, or you could go to my website. So click on Website. And this takes you to like a generic website that all the teachers have one looking similar. Since I already have a more developed website, there's a link to that right here called Class Website. This is the page that I want you to bookmark. This is the Mantech web page. It has all kinds of resources for making your projects and other things you might need. So if you bookmark that, then you'll be able to go back there really easily. Usually you look for something at the top of your screen that says Favorites, and you can add that. See that little star? That's where you can click and you can save that as a bookmark. The next time you want to find my website, it's really easy. Let's just say I was back at Google for a minute and I wanted to find my website. I would look up here and I would find where it says Mantech, and I can go right to that without having to go searching for it every time. Because we're going to use this page a lot, you definitely want a bookmark for it. All right. Then, if you try to watch a video from my website, you may have some problems doing that. So I wanted to show you, let's go back to Chrome, from my website, what can happen. There's videos on most of these projects. Let's take the Sandblasted Mirror project, for example. I went to the Sandblasted Mirror project, and there's all of these different videos. When you try to watch a video, the first time you try, the computer doesn't just let you watch it. It first is downloading the video, and then it opens it, and you will probably have a message come up that has a box right here that asks you to do some things. First, you're going to have to validate your copy of Windows. I can't get that to come up on my screen because I've already done it, and you only have to do it once. So click on Validate your copy of Windows, accept the agreement, click on Express Settings, which is recommended, and then click on Finish. That should be all you have to do, and then you should be able to start watching the video. Now, sometimes the videos don't load very well from my website, so there's also a YouTube version there as well, and it doesn't really matter which one you try. whatever works for you is fine. Okay, so go ahead and try to watch the video so you can validate your copy of Windows, and then be sure you log off so you can let someone else use the computer. So you don't want to shut down. Click on there and you can actually log off by clicking there. Once it's logged off, let your partner try it out and fill out the form and turn it back into the substitute. Thank you very much. Hope you have fun.